Hey.
Well, this is no laughing matter. Yikes, what is that? Button your beak, you wacko bird. Hey, nobody laughs at Riff-Raff. You think I'm playing games, huh? You think it's funny, huh? All right, wise guy. We'll see who gets the last laugh. Okay. So you got the last laugh. I gotta get some sleep. This has gotta work. Perfect. I can't hear a thing.
Yup, it's that crazy laugh again. Sure sounds like Riff-Raff's flipping out.
Yeah, Mungo. Definitely the laugh of a loony gone goony.
Sounds like we might need a new leader, 'cause something funny's going on up there. Come on, we better check.
I swear I heard that nutty laugh, even in my sleep. Yeah, that's it. It must have been a nightmare. Hey, what are you guys doing in my domicile? Unannounced.
Sorry, Riff-Raff, but in your, condition, you need help. Get him, guys!
My condition? Back off. I do need your help, but from a big, goofy, bird.
Oh, my word. A big goofy bird.
Yeah, a bird. And there it is now.
Come on, guys. We'll show that feathered freak not to bug our leader. Charge!
Hey, that was funny.
Funny, my foot. It's impossible. Let's split.
We're right behind you.
We'll just hide till that bird finds somebody else to drive bonkers.
Somebody else? I think it's a she, and she has eyes just for you.
Huh?
You do have a way with the chicks, you know. Even big, goony ones.
Cool it, fur brain. Come on, follow me.
Splendid hideout, Riff-Raff, my man. Now what'll we do? What's the plan?
We'll take turns sleeping and guarding. I'll take the first shift. Sleeping.
How come he sleeps while we have to guard?
Like it should be simple, even for you. 6 eyes are better than 2.
That laugh. I must be dreaming. Good. Where'd they go?
In here, Riff-Raff, where it's safe.
Swell, Hector. Safe, but ugh, stinky.
Oh boy, a fishy.
Running from a bird. Man, we're gonna be laughed out of town.
You're right, Hector. No more running. This means war.
The junkyard. On our own turf, that crazy feather duster won't stand a chance.
Relax, guys. This'll be a snap. After all, it's just a bird.
A rare Wazuli wacko bird recently escaped from the zoo. And it's...
Big deal. So what's your battle plan, oh great leader?
It's simple, Hector. The defense takes the offense, which means when it shows up, we nail it.
Oh, my word, there's a reward for the bird.
Okay, Wacko, this is your last laugh. Give up or else. So that's your answer, huh? Okay, guys, here's the plan. Everybody know their jobs? Okay, battle station. Remember the plan. I'm the decoy. As soon as the Wacko makes its play, get it. Got it?
Got it.
Got it.
There it is. We got it trapped.
Yeah, one wacko bird coming up.
I knew you were tailing me. Now it's my turn to laugh. Ha and ha. It looks like your laughing days are over now.
Oh, no.
I think it's time for Plan B.
What went wrong?
Plan B. Go get the cat balloon ready for takeoff.
Come on, Riff-Raff. You expect to catch the Wacko all by yourself? That's a laugh.
It's my only chance. And I plan to catch it with a laugh.
Oh, sure.
Yeah,
Okay, Wacko. Now we'll see who has the last laugh. Hey, Wacko. Here I am. Greetings, Wacko. Had any good laughs lately? It worked! Oh, too bad, Wacko. But you'll thank me for this later, when you're with your own wacky kind, back home on Wazuli Island.
Ooh, man, you don't know it, but you sure did blow it.
That's my reward, Wordsworth. I love happy endings, especially when they end with a laugh.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
The zoo would have paid us almost any reward for returning that Wacko bird? Like a fortune in fish snackies?
That's the game. Now you dig?
Some happy ending. This is a miserable ending.
Not for the Wacko. It sounded really happy about going home. And besides, I'm too tired to care. Sleep at last. Huh? What's that? Oh no! Not again! Huh? I don't believe it. Oh no! Yuck, yuck.